not that long ago. You may have already seen it, but I made my own homemade vanilla, and I am waiting very impatiently. I'm an avid baker and I love to bake, and so waiting 6 months to a year to use this might break me. So in the meantime, I got some of the Vanilla Bean King's Madagascar vanilla, and it's organic. It's amazing. I made homemade cinnamon rolls yesterday, and my youngest child is has a dairy allergy, and so I have to make a lot of our stuff dairy free. And so instead of the cream cheese icing for our cinnamon rolls, I made a vanilla icing with this. Gosh, it made it 10 times better. Like, I may not go back to a cream cheese icing after this. The quality is excellent. I definitely can tell that the ingredients are top notch. So if you are tired of waiting on yours, if you don't want to make your own and you want to try to have something on hand that's top quality, all the holidays are coming up, baking is going to be in full swing. I highly recommend trying Vanilla Bean Kings. I'm going to put the link for this one down in the description below if you're interested. And if you are interested in making your own, I actually use the Vanilla Bean Kings vanilla beans to make my own, and they are so good as well. So I'm going to put the link for those down in the description too if you're interested.